Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be trying a new wash and go combo, but as you all can see here, I went ahead and got ahead of the game and sectioned my hair off into 8 sections, 4 on each side. So we're gonna of course start with the back, and as you all can see, it needs a little bit of water. Typically when doing wash and goes, I get better results on fully drenched hair. I am just not like a shower girly when it comes to doing my wash and goes because I just cannot stand all of the product on my back. If you all have any solutions to that, let me know. So we're going in with the 1401 Hawaiian Silky and the Talia Wajid Curl Definer. I saw Curlfriend already use this wash and go combo on Instagram and her results came out amazing. And of course I had to try it because I have never seen a wash and go come out the way hers did. So I'm like, let's see what these products are about. I am a firm believer that products do not work on everybody's hair because we all have different hair types, different hair textures, density, porosity, all of that good stuff. But I had to try this one out. So I am showing you all that the consistency of the curl definer is really thick. It is not like a gel consistency, more of like a putty. So this is pretty much what is defining the curls, but the 1401 Hawaiian Silky was moisturizing. I found it to be pretty sticky though, in my opinion. But yes, these two products, as you all can see, are activating the curls, and I feel like they're doing two different things. So of course I'm going to add a lot of water, go in with the 1401, which is going to add some shine but also some definition. Once I work that through, and then I'm going to go in with that curl definer on top. And again, this is a very thick product. It is supposed to be as if this is like the gel defining the curls, but it is more of like a very thick cream. And one thing I really enjoyed and loved about this product is the fact that there was no flaking. Like, these products really soak into the hair strands. So I am going to repeat this process all over my head. The reason why I decided to keep going is because this back section here actually looks like it has some pretty good definition. I will say I was kind of like antsy to try like a foam on top, but I didn't want to like cause any flaking. But imagine a little foam on top. I really feel like the dew foam, I really feel like it probably would have froze the hair into place like even more. I just wasn't trying to like test out any flaking business. So this is half of the back, and then we get full back action. This is what my hair is looking like. I decided that we can keep moving because the curls actually do look defined. So we're gonna go ahead and head to the front and define our curls up there. One thing about doing wash and goes, I like to try to show you all my hair from different angles because truthfully, I have different patterns of curls all over my head, and I think sometimes it's just helpful to see what the curl definition looks like in various spots of my head, especially when I know I have tighter curls in some areas and looser curls in other areas. One thing about wash and goes I have found is that you really have to be patient. Some days I don't have enough patience to do wash and goes, and also I just don't have the time to fix my hair if things go wrong. But today I had a little bit of extra time with my hands to kind of play around with some products to see how well my hair would like them. Here, you guys, things look fine. Things were actually going great, okay? Spoiler alert. Do not sit up under a dryer, okay? And in this next clip, you're gonna know exactly why. I think this hairstyle would have perfectly air dried, but honey, when I sat up under the dryer, this is kind of what happened. So the hair became like very stiff. There was like absolutely like no movement. I don't know if I should have sprayed a heat protectant up on top of my hair. I usually don't have to do that, but I didn't even let it 100% dry, as you all can see. About at like 80% dry, I knew that this was just not going in the right direction. So I tried to save it, but no, I knew this style was not gonna last me for a full week. So I literally like kind of wore it out in the fro and then came back and did something different. But I like to show you all the ups and downs of my natural hair. Sometimes we have to go back to the drawing board, but as always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya.